everyone, Assalamu alaikum. So welcome back to another episode of Craftistic Najibha. Today I'm sharing a few fun DIYs that I did when I was bored, and it turned out to be such a creative ride. For the very first time আমি পাথরের উপর পেন্ট করা ট্রাই করেছি, and guess what, I went in an avocado design.
It made me so happy seeing it come to life on this little stone.
I grabbed some colors and brushes, and আমি dark color দিয়ে সাইডটা করা স্টার্ট করেছি। And now mixing white, green and yellow, আমি একটা light color create করেছি। And lastly, আমি একটা varnisher coat apply করে নিচ্ছি। Along with it, I painted another one. Next, I took my eyeglass case, which was this pale green color, and I decided to give it a greenish Pinterest-inspired makeover. And guess what? I ran out of gesso. And gesso না লাগানোর কারণে color করা possible হচ্ছিল না. And that made the paint a bit uneven, and still it was turning out decent. I will definitely keep working on it to make it even better, since this one was supposed to be my favorite. Okay, now here's a fun one. I've been collecting these little tags for so long, and I finally decided to use them. I turned them into bookmarks, and funny thing is, আমি যখন ভিডিও করছিলাম আমি কোনোটাই খুঁজে পাচ্ছিলাম না, and আমি জানি না কেন এটা অলওয়েজ আমার সাথেই হয়, but lastly I did manage to find a couple. আমি কর্নারগুলোতে ডিজাইন করে and সেন্টারে one more chapter to go এটা লিখেছি, and it just made my day. Also, as you can see, I didn't have a ribbon, so I used a piece of fabric as a ribbon for the bookmark. It turned out so nice. For the final craft, I used some modern clay, as I have been saving this for ages. I decided to make a trinket dish, a proper one, as last time I made it out of my homemade clay. This was my first time working with modern clay, and let me tell you, it was hard. আমার কাছে কোনো proper tools ছিল না, so I just used whatever was in my hand. আমি Pinterest-এ অনেকগুলো দেখেছি, and I love this one I'm making right now. এটা বানানোর পর আমি এটা শুকানোর জন্য রেখে দিয়েছি, and this is day 2. Also, I made a cute bow. I'm drawing out in the dish to get a look of how it turned out. And now I'm mixing white and red. I'm making a pink color. And now finally it's time to color it. As I'm watching it right now, the process was so satisfying. it's time to paint this bow. I started it with a very light color, and then I realized it is not looking that good, so I painted it again with a red color. I used silver as a shimmery touch to make the edges pop and give it that extra shine. To add a finishing touch, I attached a cute little bow on my trinket dish, and I guess I'm officially in my bow core era now because honestly, bows just makes everything look so cuter. So that's my little DIY session. I tried new things, I learned a lot, and had so much fun. And if you're ever bored and want to create something, just pick up whatever is around you and give it a go. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more crafty ideas. See you next time. Bye.